Hey fam, happy Friday. I just got off. Praise the Lord, I made it through this week. Excuse me, I am exhausted. But I made it through this week. Had another call in, but glory be to God, I made it. That's all I gotta say. I ain't stressing. I made it. So, I'm gonna run by all this. I got a taste for me a Mexican tuna salad. So I'm gonna run by all this and pick up the ingredients and see what all they got new there. Okay fam, I done made it to all this. I'm gonna get some wine. I see they done brought the price down to $1.99. This was for their price. What? I see they got their watermelons on sale, $6.95. I'll come back and get one of them all. I wanted me some cilantro, but they are out. Okay, they got their strawberries, $2.05. It's a good deal for y'all who eat strawberries. They still got the onions up high though. Do I got onions? I think I got. No, I don't. No, I don't. My credit allow me to. I gotta have onions to go in my Mexican salad. So I got my onions. $2.55. Okay, I got me some tomatoes. They're $1.09 a pound. Oh damn, look at that. All this spread for $2.59. I'm gonna have to try that. I'd like to see what kind of chips they got. Hot lime. Is there hot chili lime? These are good, so I'm gonna get a bag of those. I was looking at these cheesy queso chips. I'm gonna try those. Gluten free. We're gonna try it, man. See, that's why you never come to the grocery store hungry. Oh, look at the Mickey Mouse. Oh, now that is cute. $9.99. They got the shoes, the little things, the headbands, and the hats. Ain't that cute? They got the pajamas. What's that? Shorts or skirt. Okay, all this. I came in here to get my tuna salad, and I'm over here looking at what they got over here at the ALDI finds. Oh, now that's a nice chair. $50. Okay. And it comes with the ottoman. What is this? Giant 4-in-1 roll. Is that a tic-tac-toe? I think it is. For $50. That'd be cute. Oh, now look at this. I wish I had me. Oh. Wait a minute now. Trying to see. Oh, that's a chair, man. That is neat. How much is it? Ain't got no price on it. Oh, yes it is. $35. Okay. Said the Polish trimmer. $40. cordless blower for $40. Pressure washer for $70. Oh, now that is too cute. $5.99. Acrylic glass. Okay. Oh, now that is. And then they have it. That ain't bad. $6. Okay, ALDI. I see y'all. Y'all starting to come along. Let me go around the other way because this store is too packed. Okay, I got corn, so I don't need no corn. But I do need some tuna. Okay, I got my chicken breast, $2.65. And my tuna, 79 cents. They didn't went up on that chicken breast because that chicken breast was $2.59. I think that's what it was. I'm finally able to get my aloe vera juice. 99 cents. Alright, let's see how much they ask. What? They slowly coming down on them ads. Look at that. Slowly coming down. Okay, all this. I see you. I see you. I see you. Ooh, I have $1.99 a pound. That's a good price. Crispy crown. $3.49. Ooh, that looks good. Smash burger. $7.99. You get 8 beef patties. 8 4-ounce beef patties. Okay. Okay, let me get out of here. I'll see you at your house. Okay, fam. I spent $22 with tax. Without tax, it was like mainly $21. So I picked up some extra stuff. Y'all know I shouldn't have picked that up in the first place. But I need to go to CVS. I'm looking at this camera. I'm backing up. Family, so many folks out. I'm trying to get home. They driving crazy. And I just want to get home. Get out early in the morning. My phone got the hell down. Get out early in the morning for everybody get out and go to CVS. Because I need to do some couponing for my shoot, I done forgot what you call it. You know I am tired. That care pass before that expire. So I pray that y'all having a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Comment. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.